So here I am driving around the lake because I need it. I'm too stiff, I have to do something. And as you can see, it's really, really pretty. But I'm scared that there's gonna be a storm soon. So yeah. We'll see what happened. But it is nice. So you can see that's the lake for the swimming, and that's a stage for concerts, and there's a big a sculpture, and behind there is a wild lake, which is much nicer. This is nice as well, but there's nobody here. As you can see, the rain is gonna go soon, so I guess people are scared. But I'm gonna go to the wild part now, and I'm just gonna go around here so you can see a little bit better. I just don't want to fall in. This was all wild when I was little, so but there is the wild part, and it's much nicer. It's a little bit swampy and really strange, but that's how I remember it. And as you can see, it's really beautiful. Well, you know, it's really natural. You see, this is so, yeah, no comparison. But I'm going on, and on the stones, not very good for the bike. And yeah, there's nobody here. And this is the old car that was pulled from the lake when it was redone. And this is the old lake. I'm driving my little bike around, and it's not very safe, but because my tires are really thin. But it is beautiful. I'm gonna try to go down and just see what's what, because I love it there. But you can see the park. It's very well made, and before it was all jungle around here, so it is nice, but it's not. I'm not sure how do I feel about it, because it almost lost the feeling of nature, except this lake, you know. But it is beautiful. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to go there and just take a picture. So I'm just gonna go down and show you, because it looks the same as it was. You see, before the water was all the way up here when I was little. Everything went down. I don't know why. But as you can see, it's really wild, and it's really pretty. And I miss that actually in the other lake. You know, this wilderness, this wonderness, I guess. It's so wondrous here. Look at it. And there's a lot of birds nesting here, so that's why they left it. A lot of ducks and swans. And yeah, the storm is coming. I'm gonna see if I can see myself. I'm trying, but no. But yeah, see, from here, the water used to be when I was little till here, so it's like 3 meters lower, so it's not that good, but it still is beautiful, as you can see. That untouched feel. Yes, let's just go. See my little bike? Isn't it funny? I mean, imagine me on it. It looks too funny. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna, just drive around a little bit more and then head home. And I have to tell you, it's really nice here. It's kind of cool because the storm should come, but it's also very, very humid. But yeah. Oh, I'm trying to get up the hill without any speeds. Oh, there are the swans there. I'm gonna record and wait. So down there are the swans. They have their little nest there. And this is where I said the last time, there. And yeah, the park looks very nice. But this area, the wild area, is much nicer than that, done area. So yeah, guys. Just wanted to say thank you for watching again, and probably talk to you soon. Love you guys, and see you later. I had to do this. I need some cardio, so big kiss. Bye. Guys, I just decided to sit for a while. That's the exit of the park. I'm really, pooped. I really don't have a lot of energy, but what I have, I do use. I need to have a haircut, but my hairdresser is on vacation, so we'll see. And my birthday is in 5 days, and I guess I'm gonna be all grown till then. And on the 13th, I think I'm having another workshop with children, but they're gonna be preschool children, and I think it's gonna be like crafts, not drawings. So we'll see. Maybe it'll be good. I mean, I need that. Yeah, we'll see. And I'm talking to myself again, and people are watching, so but I don't care. So yeah, I'm gonna say bye again, but love you guys, and bye with a kiss. It's very ugly kiss, but never mind. I mean, smile. What am I talking about? Bye.